Hi guys, it's Alex from Manifest Like Whoa. Welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. Today's video is all about the perfume manifestation method. If you've never heard of it before, it's a super simple manifesting technique. It was more popular maybe 6 months to a year ago, but I wanted to record this video today because I've had a little bit of experience with it. I have a few tips and tricks and ideas that can help you get the most out of it. So I want to share everything I know about this method with you, and I hope it helps you out. First, the perfume method is so easy. It's so simple. Literally anybody can do it. So it's perfect for beginners. All you do is you take perfume, any perfume. My favorite, well, that I'm using right now is Victoria's Secret Bombshell. It just makes me feel so uplifted and glam and high vibe. If you have any perfume that you like, don't be afraid to share it below because I really love new scents and I'm looking for something new. Anyway, all you do is take the perfume, put it in your hand, dominant hand, charge it, use it, boom, that's it. The reason this works is kind of the same idea as using crystals or moon water. The idea is to put your intention into a physical object that you can then use to carry with you throughout the day. Now, I have a theory on why it works really, really well. First, it acts as an anchor. Anchor is something that it's like when you create a habit, you do one thing, it automatically makes you do something else. So for me, me and my husband, every time we eat, we like to watch TV together. That's just what we do. So eating, I'm going to bring out a plate. Boom, we're going to turn on the TV. We don't even really think about it. So that's an example of an anchor. But when you do the perfume method, the spraying of the perfume and the scent automatically acts like an anchor for what you want to manifest. Number two is that it's something that already makes you feel good. And the whole thing about manifesting is feeling good. You want to raise those vibrations. You want to be able to attract more of what you already feel. And perfume and good scents is just a way to activate your subconscious mind and help you naturally and automatically feel good so you can attract more of what you want right now. And third is that it's so easy. I don't know, some manifestation rituals and things, they take a lot of time. And I think that that's fine. That's fine and it has its place. But for me, like the more small automatic things that I can just inject into my life to where I'm always feeling good, I'm always smelling good, I'm always like my best self. That's the way you're going to manifest all the things you want. Is just by doing it also like kind of automatically and easily and in a way that feels light and fun. Now, the way that it works is it's really simple. Like I said before, you just want to make sure you have a perfume. Any perfume you will do. Anything that you have already, you don't have to go out and buy some expensive brand or anything like that, unless you want to. I mean, I'm addicted to perfume. Like, I will buy all of it. But you don't have to do all that. Just take something that you have at home, something that you like, and go ahead and think about what you want to manifest into your life. And you're going to want to take the perfume and hold it in your hands, but you want to focus on your dominant hand. Your dominant hand is the one you write with. So for me, I'm right-handed, so I would hold it in my hand, and you want to focus on your dominant hand and kind of visualize yourself sending energy and the thought of your intention through your arm, out to your hand, into the perfume. Now, you can ask for anything that you want, anything that you really want to manifest, but focus on how it makes you feel. So you want to close your eyes and envision whatever you want to manifest happening. So if you want to get a new job, for example, you would close your eyes, hold the perfume, and envision getting the call saying you got the job, getting interviewed, doing really well, maybe getting a job on the spot, maybe getting your first paycheck, whatever it is that you want to happen, you want to visualize it, visualize how it make you feel, and set the intention. You can set the intention out loud or silently. I like to do mine silently, but you kind of just want to tell the perfume that this is what you want. This is what this scent is going to do to you. It's what it's going to bring to you. And that's how you set that anchor. So you don't have to spend a ton of time on this. You don't have to do like a big 10, 20-minute ritual. It's not like that. It can be a couple minutes. I think you'll know when the feeling is there. So once you're comfortable with the perfume being programmed with your intention, there's 3 different ways that I like to use it. And the first is really obvious. It's like when you are getting dressed in the morning, anytime you want to spray the perfume, you just spray it and remember the intention that it set. Remember what the scent is supposed to make you feel like. Remember what it's supposed to do, what you want to attract, and kind of just take a minute to pause and bask in that, like feel it, get into the mood, get into the vibe of that thing that you want to attract. And that's a really easy way to do it. And it's good for doing it every day too. It's an easy way to manifest on autopilot because you don't have to think about it. You just get dressed, spray the perfume, boom, you're done. The second way I like to do it is use it as an anointing spray. So like you could use manifestation oils if you have those, moon water, I think I maybe mentioned that before. If you have anything that's liquid that you want to apply to your manifestation papers. So if you're doing the scripting method, writing a letter to the universe, I did a video on that. You might want to check that out. But if you're doing something where you're writing affirmations like the 55-5 method, the 369 method, scripting, you can add the perfume to that paper, and it's just going to take your manifestation to the next level. It's going to give it a little bit more oomph and a little bit more power, and that's going to help you manifest that much faster. The third way that I like to do it is just to spray it on my pillow at night. It helps you manifest in your sleep. It's going to help you with that subconscious mind element of attracting what you want. And again, it's just another really, really easy way to just sneak a little bit more inspiration into your life. All right, now that you know what it is and how to use it, I wanted to share some of my favorite tips and things that I've learned. First, you want to use this in addition to, not instead of, other manifestation methods. So it would be kind of like pointless if you just sprayed the perfume and that's it and just went about your day and didn't continue other things that are going to help you get where you want to go. You're going to want to pay attention to synchronicities, signs, gut feelings, chance encounters, new ideas that seem to come out of the blue. And you're going to want to take action on those because that action, that inspired action, is going to be the thing that brings your manifestation to you. I mean, it's about your vibe and raising your vibration on one level, but another level is going to be that inspiration that comes from you and what you do with it. So I don't want you to fall into the trap of thinking, oh, I sprayed this perfume, now I'm good, I don't have to do anything else. That's not true. Don't make that mistake. I've seen so many people make it before and it doesn't end well. Use one perfume for one intention. So I've charged this one up to be friendly and more outgoing and draw people to me, and it's worked really well. But I wouldn't go and then be like, all right, I have that, now I'm going to use the same the same perfume and then go try to manifest money with it. No, you just want to use one perfume for one intention. I got this gift set. It's Creed gift set, and it has 5 different perfumes in it. And I've been using this to charge multiple perfumes with different intentions and then just kind of have it to use for different purposes. And it's worked really, really well. So you don't have to go out and buy like tons of perfume if you have like a gift set or something like that. I just thought that was a really cool thing that really worked well for me, and I wanted to share it with you. And my last tip is try to link desires with scents. If there's a scent that you find and it makes you feel like, ooh, this smells rich, this smells expensive, that's a great one to use to manifest money. Or if there's something that you smell that makes you feel exotic and seductive and sexy, that's a good one to manifest more intimacy and passion into your life. If there's something that feels soft and romantic, then that would be good for manifesting love. You want to follow the path of least resistance. If there's something that makes you feel like money, then use it to manifest money if you can. If you don't have these things, you don't need to go out and buy them, like I said, but it's really good if you can kind of link your subconscious mind and things that you already think and feel and ride that wave on to manifesting your goal. So that's going to be it for this video. As always, I hope you liked it and got something from it. Don't be afraid to leave any comments, questions, or suggestions in the comment box below. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Happy manifesting. Mwah.